What is up, everyone? This is Moturals here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Google Chrome extensions not working or loading. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to basically utilize Chrome extensions and they're not working, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing to do is open up a Chrome browser such as this, go to chrome://settings/reset. In here, you want to click into the reset settings and essentially restore settings to their original default settings. A lot of times there's sometimes glitches or issues happening in Chrome, and then kind of reverting it back to the original settings fixes a lot of these issues for you. The next thing to do is go into extensions itself, and let's say it's like one extension causing a problem, either turn it off or on, let's say this ad block one for example, or just remove it and then reinstall the extension and then try to go from there. Again, a lot of times just doing what I'm just mentioning usually fixes a lot of these issues, so I would highly recommend you to try that as well. The final thing to do is it's entirely possible, like it's Chrome itself, so go to the bottom, right click into it to open up your task manager as such this, and then find Google Chrome, right click into it and do end task. This is going to completely kill Chrome. As you can see, it's literally taking up the most memory right now. It's going to completely kill Chrome. You can turn it back on and see if this fixes the issue for you, which it should, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Moturals out. Peace.